Hi, welcome to Spry Whimsy. I just got our first bullfrog in from Spinution today. We're going to see how quick and easy it is to unbox this thing, set it up with, I believe, no tools. Let's find out. This is the parts bag. We'll get to that later. The two extra one of the bobbins. The head, we'll get into that. The second, the spare bobbin. Pull this thing out. There's the base, the pedal, head. Check my parts bag, see what I have. The lazy Kate rods, drive band, and let's see here. Never seen one before. Oh, kept trying to go upside down. Here's my problem. Okay, loosen. Not on the back. This will hold the head on. There. Keep the washer in there. It's back together. Alright, take my drive band. Top. Thread through the pedals here. This one might be easier from the back. It's not the easiest one to get a drive band around. Stretch it and line it up. If you get your way. There we go. basically up and running and spinning. Now, let's see if we can figure out how to fold it. Oh, push the button, folds, and then you can carry it. So this is a much easier carrying position than the Echo you had to turn your wrist around to carry. This allows you to carry it flat with an easy body position. Push that back up. It's got this little push button here that locks that back into place. And when you want, got my lazy tape rods here. Go up there. And that would be Spinolutuon Bullfrog ready to spin. Alright, I'm going to show you how the Bullfrog from Spinolution folds. It's quite simple. On the back of the wheel there's this little black button which is actually a screw head. Push that, releases it, drops it down. Now you can carry it. There's a little ball here that locks in when you put it back up. So to put it back up and unfold it, pop it up, snaps into place, and it's going to stay right where you put it. Now I'm going to show you a quick comparison between the Bullfrog from Spinolution and the Echo. This is an 8-ounce Echo. The Bullfrog comes with a 16-ounce bobbin. You can get this with a 4-ounce or 16-ounce bobbin. The big difference is this folds. Small difference is this orifice on the Bullfrog is maybe an inch lower than the Echo. The whole wheel sits a little lower with this treadling mechanism than the Echo's treadling mechanism, but the wheel itself, the drive wheel, is exactly the same size on both of these wheels. The whirls on the back are exactly the same on both wheels. So you have the same ratios possible on the Bullfrog as the Echo. That has not changed. Just a completely different treadling mechanism. It pulls your feet a little closer together than they are on the Echo. And now we'll get another wheel. Now we'll do a quick comparison between the Spinolution Bullfrog and the Spinolution Worker Bee. Both of these are 16-ounce folding travel wheels. Right now they're both in the folded position. The Bullfrog, I just pop that up to unfold it. The Bee, pull this knob, it unfolds. Both of them have feet that fold down. I'll keep that one up for the moment. And again, the Bullfrog has just a slightly lower orifice hook than the Bee does. So this is the same height as the Echo. This of course has a lot more ratios available with the accelerated wheel here than the Bullfrog does, but they're both handy travel wheels. Okay, now we're going to take a quick look at where the DNA, another portion of the DNA of the Bullfrog comes from. It's related again to the Pollywog, which we have here now. Both of them have a unique exposed treadling mechanism for the Spinolution line. They're not inside the sealed cam or closed cam, they're open. So you can kind of see how it treadles. When the Bullfrog is folded, it is the same height as the Pollywog. So for storage and portability, there's not that much difference in height. The Bullfrog is a 16-ounce wheel. The Pollywog is a 4-ounce wheel with an option for a 12-ounce. But by the time you've added that 12-ounce wheel, you're almost the same cost as this. So the Bullfrog is a great deal on that sense. Pollywog is definitely lighter. It is a toe-driven wheel. It is not for everybody because the feet have to be very close together. But once you get the Bullfrog, once it's unfolded and ready to spin, this is a more adult wheel than the Pollywog is.